Friends, we're making a strong institutional commitment today. Today as a community, we're proud to unveil the racism not welcome signs. 2 of the iconic red signs in the busiest area on a public campus to validate the experiences of racism, to drive conversations and to empower our community to be actively anti-racist.
We have a responsibility as a university to advocate for all aspects of social justice, equity and inclusion. And on the day for the elimination of racial discrimination, this focus takes the form of acknowledging and being honest about our part in eliminating and sometimes enabling racism.
I think it's also important to think about the times where we haven't engaged in anti-racism and to think about, okay, well, what projects have we sidelined because we think that maybe they're too difficult or we think that they're not relevant?
I know UTS has done a lot of work over the years to commit to diversity awareness and anti-racism. So I guess I'd really like to see it really embedded into subjects and curricula.
You've got to be really deliberate about learning more about things and taking action on those yourself. So it's not just about knowing in theory, it's about thinking, what practically can I do?
Now we are here to witness the installation of the signs. We are the first university to do so. These signs point us in the right direction. They orient us towards being actively anti-racist.
The signs are not just signs that state our intent. There are signs that also reassure people that they're welcome here, that they are welcome here. Wherever you come from, whatever your view, whatever your background, whatever you look like, this is a community for you.
I'm a Ualaroi man from northwest New South Wales, and it is my privilege to live and work on Gadigal country. And so on days like these with the signs and other things, we do end up asking ourselves what we can do to actively combat this.
From a structural and institutional point of view, it's really important to think about how the policies we have in place and systems we have in place at the university impact on likelihood of racism occurring and affecting the university students and staff here at UTS.
I would love to get a part of more anti-racist endeavours like this. So if there's more avenues and spaces where we can sort of impact anti-racist endeavours, I would love to be a part of that.
A place where we have zero tolerance for racism, whether overt or subtle, done knowingly or unknowingly. Racism, along with all forms of racial discrimination, is not welcome and accepted at UTS.
Everyone has their own kind of sphere of influence, and so I think it's about thinking about the work that you do and whether it brings, is it a safe space for people to engage with? Is it a safe place for Black and Indigenous people?
We're a part of a university community here at UTS and we're a part of a campus community, but that we also bring communities in from outside the university, looking outwards as well, thinking about how UTS as a university influences and affecting change in broader society as well.
It is not a sad day. This is a day where we need to be positive, we need to work together and be together as a community. This is the day for the elimination of racial discrimination, but let's make this a lifetime.